Growing up, some of the best memories I had was sitting around a campfire with family. We want to create that space for people, where they have a time to bring in family and friends and relatives and just have a space without all the distractions that they could enjoy each other's company, create those memories. And landscape lighting, it's what plays such a pivotal role in all of it. It's what makes people feel comfortable to unwind and really to enjoy each other. So it's so exciting for us that our products that we design help create those spaces. At Sterling Lighting, we understand the importance of creating a space, a gathering space. We had a slogan, the come on over home. And it was growing up, that was someone, my uncle had that home that everybody just liked to gather around. And lighting plays a pivotal role in that, where it creates a warm, welcoming space, a place where people linger, where they relax. We get to play a small role in designing and making products that can create that space for you. And so, our focus is, can we make them so they last a really long time? And really, you have enough going on in your life. You don't need to be thinking about lamps and wires and connections. Let's just do it right. In the end, we feel we're creating memories. You have the space, we design it and make it so you have a place to have those special moments with family, with friends, and times when we get to spend together and create those memories are important to us. And so we've had thousands of customers write us and talk to us just about the impact of the space that was created and the time they get to share, where it just becomes part of their home. They get to expand into the outside and really get greater connections. So we're so thankful that we're part of that whole journey of, we want to bring people together. We want to be involved in that, and lighting plays such a pivotal role in creating that space.